is, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now?
Jimmy loves to pet his dog, and he loves to hug his mom, hug his mom. Jimmy loves to walk his dog, Jimmy loves his big black dog, his big black dog. But he's drinking out the bottle when I see him at night. Every time I see him it just doesn't feel right. How are you? Broken into clear water flowing by the waterfall. Way back on the other side of school in the fall, when I knew something was with you, my friend. We would walk and laugh along. He would say that we're just rocks in a creek. I said if the trees could talk, they would say don't cut me down, don't cut him down. But there is murky water flowing by the waterfall. Saw it in his eyes as he stood in shock. And oh, too, something was with you. He was always having trouble falling in love. Couldn't really nail it, always kinda rolled along, it's true.